Precision machined products are required in various industries, such as the medical equipment, new energy vehicles, robotics, and hydraulic fluids industries. As an international provider of fastening and assembly technology, Bossard provides professional fastening solutions and one-stop precision machining services to enhance our customers' core competitiveness. Bossard's proven machined product solutions, professional technical team, and rich industry experience can provide you with customized parts in different materials, sizes, and precisions. We utilize various processes such as turning, milling, stamping, and bending to produce high-precision, small batch, and structurally complex machined products. At Bossard, our machining alliance is equipped with advanced 5-axis quadruplex mill-turn CNC machines from brands such as Mazza, Tornus, and DMG Mori, enabling high-precision parts to be machined to a precision of up to 2 microns. Our machines are also equipped with product design software, such as SolidCAM. At the same time, we have adopted the manufacturing execution system to realize online scheduling and equipment crop factor monitoring to improve production efficiency. At Bossard, we possess advanced quality testing laboratories equipped with professional testing equipment such as 3D CMMs, optical imaging machines, and roughness sensors. Through strict quality control processes, we can ensure the stable quality and data traceability of machined products. Additionally, Bossard's real-time manufacturing services online quoting system provides customers with real-time quotations and one-click ordering for prototype samples. Bossard's Assembly Technology Expert Service helps customers solve production assembly issues and optimize product design and production processes through a team of engineering professionals. As a professional one-stop provider of machined parts, Bossard provides you with high-precision, low-volume, multi-product machining solutions through our advanced CNC machines, testing equipment, and professional technicians, allowing you to devote more time and energy to product innovation and design development to stay ahead of the market. A testament to Bossard's tagline, proven productivity.